Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're talking about Amanda Knox, once accused of one of the most infamous crimes of the 21st century, later acquitted, and now living a very different life. So where is Amanda Knox now? Let's break it all down. Amanda Knox was a 20-year-old college student from Seattle when she moved to Perugia, Italy, in 2007 to study abroad. Just weeks into her stay, her roommate, British student Meredith Kircher, was found brutally murdered in their shared apartment. What began as a tragic crime quickly spiraled into an international media storm. Knox and her Italian boyfriend at the time, Raffaele Solicito, were arrested and accused of the murder. Their case became a media frenzy, with tabloids painting Amanda as Foxy Knoxy. She was convicted in 2009, sentenced to 26 years in prison, and spent nearly 4 years behind bars before her conviction was overturned. However, Italy's judicial system retried her multiple times, with her final acquittal coming in 2015. After her release and eventual acquittal, Amanda Knox returned to the U.S. to face a new challenge: rebuilding her life. She published her memoir, Waiting to be Heard, detailing her time in prison and the devastating effects of public scrutiny. She also became a prominent advocate for criminal justice reform, focusing on wrongful convictions and the role of sensationalist media in shaping public opinion. Amanda later launched podcasts with her husband Christopher Robinson, including Labyrinths, where the two explore stories of resilience, survival, and unexpected life twists. She's also appeared at conferences, given interviews, and written articles, becoming an outspoken voice about how the justice system can fail. Where is Amanda Knox now? Today, Amanda Knox lives in Washington State with her husband and their 2 young children. She continues to write, speak, and advocate, most recently releasing another memoir, Free: My Search for Meaning, which explores how she's tried to redefine herself beyond the infamous case. Outside of writing and advocacy, she's dabbled in creative projects, including producing work on documentaries and even trying stand-up comedy in 2025. Yet, despite moving forward, she isn't completely free of the past. She still faces a lingering slander conviction in Italy for statements she made during her interrogation in 2007, a legal battle she continues to fight. Amanda Knox's journey is one of trauma, survival, and reinvention. Though she now focuses on family and advocacy, her life remains tied to one of the world's most publicized murder cases. The question is, will Amanda ever truly escape the shadow of the past, or will the Meredith Kircher case always define her story? Let us know what you think in the comments below.